Hi everyone, good afternoon, and you can see my screen. It is option chain screen for this week, which is 31st July. And if you can see, uh, there's a lot of open interest change has happened, and you can clearly see that 25,000 has the maximum open interest now, the call side, and there's a lot of unwinding in put options of 18,000 levels. So we can see a downside over here. Also, the 1st of August deadline for tariffs from America is there. So most probably this week, the coming week, which is from 28th of July till till Friday 1st of August, we might see a lot of volatility, or you can see a lot of downside from here onwards, as major companies quarterly earnings have been finished. So there's a lot of open interest is already showing a lot of changes. And as per this, if you check this week, which is 31st July open interest options chain, clearly it says over here 25 lakhs in call side and 14 lakhs in put side. So it's clearly stating that it can go down. And the 7th July August sorry 7th August series, it's showing that it can move up to 24,000 levels. Not sure about it, but it can move up to 24,000 levels till August 7th, as per this open interest option chain. And if you can also see, if you see August 28th, so in August 28th series, there's again an open interest of 12,000 has been added on 25th 25,000 levels, which is the highest open interest again here has been added, which is 12,000. So 25,000 will be acting as a major resistance for the market now, as per my understanding. And if you see all the changes in here in the open interest, we can see a lot of open interest started to build up over here. Slow and steadily it is getting built up, and till 23,000. So it's not 23,000 level, it can go up to 24, 23, 800 levels. It can go up to that point. Still we are not completely sure. Let's see what exactly the tariffs gives us information. The American government gives us the information about tariff, the trade war, and the trade things. Also, the results of major companies are over. So if you look in the open interest for Reliance for the next month, so you will see over here 28,000 levels, sorry, 28,000 open interest, and here 57,000 open interest for the month of August. And if you see, it's clearly showing 1400 levels, 1500 levels. And here a lot of open interest is getting built up. So 1200 is also open interest getting built up. So I'm not sure, but it can be possible, or it is possible, that Reliance can move up to 1200 levels, because there was a news between that there was a sanction for Indian oil company based in Gujarat. So maybe that is the reason Reliance will be getting going down, most probably till 1200 levels. Not exactly 1200, it can go up to 1230, 1240, 1250. So over there you can slow and steadily start to build position. And September is nothing over there. Now after looking into Reliance, we can see 57,000 open interest in call side and 28,000 in put side, which is in the month of August. Now if you see Infosys has similar kind of thing. Infosys result is over, and result was up to the mark, not that good, but still there's a lot of selling pressure in Infosys as well. And Infosys next month series, you can see open interest getting built up over here, 1500 levels or 1450 levels. So also the support is getting built up at 1400 levels. So let's see what happens for Infosys. My view is it can go up to 1450, 1430. And if you look at TCS now, which is a very big company, and top 50 companies of top 10 companies of Nifty, and it has the highest market share. Nifty 50, Nifty 10, Nifty 50, uh, approximate highest market share for the IT sector. So here also open interest getting built up in 3000 levels. So here 500, 222 in call side. So major open interest getting built up. So 34,000 calls and 22,000 puts. So it can go up to 3000 levels as per my understanding next month. These are all for next month targets from my end. And if you look at now the Bajaj Finance, the result which was there yesterday or day before yesterday. So a lot of unwinding here in put side and a lot of open interest built up in the call side for this month. We'll see in the next month as well. Next month here it is huge call writing over here. 1011,000, sorry, 1040, 960, 940 and 900 levels. So slow and steadily uh, all stocks are showing that the open interest in the call side is getting very big. So most probably my view is Nifty, for Nifty next month the target is 23,500 to 23,800 levels. It can go up to 23,000 as well if there's a lot of selling pressure is there. So my personal view is it can go up to 23,500 to 23,800 levels. Let's see, let's hope what happens, because if you see the open interest built up, it's clearly showing that it will go down. And if you even if you check the bank Nifty, which is the biggest weightage, biggest mover, if you check the August series, mm, August series, here is a built up of 45,000 in the level, 57,000 calls, the highest built up, 57,000 calls. So in the month of August, if you check, highest built up is getting over here 45,000, which is 57,000 levels. And here some unwinding is there. Day before yesterday, this was the put side was open interest was there, so might be they have bought the put and sold the calls. And because now they changed the position, that is they have unwinded the position that is being bought over here. Some of the position has been unwinded, so, and you can see the profit they might have earned in this. So slow and steadily their built up is getting over here. So bank Nifty, not that sure what level it can go. I'm not sure, but if Nifty goes to 24,000, if it can surely goes to 54,000 levels. It can surely go up to 54,000 levels. Bank Nifty. We can check HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. What does it shows? So HDFC Bank today is 2005. And one more thing, there will be a bonus issue will be given in HDFC. So that time the stock will exist. People will get 1:1 bonus. The stock will exist at what level, at what time the bonus is given. Also, if you check screener HDFC Bank, now if you see the screeners HDFC Bank, so you can see the market cap is 15 lakh crore, current price is this. You can see ROE, ROE, ROCE, intrinsic value, number of shares. So the number of shares here is 767 crores. Okay, so this will be doubled. 767 crore shares, it will be doubled into 2. So suppose if you 767 crores in, so 767, so it will be 1500 crore shares. 1500 crore shares will be there. So 1500 crore shares is too much for any stock. It's too much. So the momentum or the volatility will uh, there might be any sort of sell-off. The stock might move downside more, because if you have checked Yes Bank has a lot of number of shares. It's 3137 crore shares, and because of that, the number of shares, because of that, there's no movement in Yes Bank since last 4-5 years. If you check the chart for 5 years, it's been absolutely, if you check on the lowest point of time, it was 7 rupees. So from 7 rupees for 5 years, it is only 19 rupees now. That is clearly because of this number of shares. The number of shares are more, that's the reason the share price is not moving up. So eventually HDFC Bank might also have the same thing. It is a favorite of the FIS, favorite stock. You can clearly see the FIS holding. It's FI favorite stock, but look at the number of share it will have. It will have 1500 crore shares. Still, it is the biggest bank in India. Now you can see the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has also 714 crore shares, and it has intrinsic value of 907. The reserves and the debt, everything is mentioned over here. So, and it is the second highest FI holding, the banking stock, 46.8% FI holding. And if you can check ICICI Bank option the month of August, currently it is trading at 1477. And see here also there's some unwinding. Yes, there's some point of call writing at 1500 levels, only 4900, 4000. So this stock is not, uh, we cannot say anything about this stock, but you can see for July also, we can see a lot of open interest unwinding has happened. So let's see for the month of August what happens in ICICI Bank. But if you check HDFC Bank, you check Reliance, you check Infosys, you can check TCS, all these are giving the, yeah, they are giving a hint that market can drift down, as there is a lot of uncertainty, uneasiness regarding that trade tariff war between US and all the world, all the countries around the world. So we can definitely see there will be some changes, and if there are a lot of changes, like 30% is the tariff being given to India, so there is chances of more downside from here. Now you can check alright, I'll just open trading view over here, which will be much easier for you.